when you really look at these cards and their link to the unconscious mind, they serve as an intermediary to communicate with the deepest aspects of all of us. Uh, to make sense,
Yes.
or to make that more practical, what I mean is there's an unconscious mind that we collectively share. Now, some of us might believe there's this big glob called the unconscious mind, and other people are like sprouted out of it, like fingers from a hand.
Hmm.
Or you can just simply say that every human being and our minds are built on the same software, just like every
Yes.
iPhone is built on the same prototype. However, you want to look at it, there's a similar common language at the root of all of us. So, for us to have an interface that symbolizes the different facets of that unconscious collective, when we read these cards, this it's not just a conversation between you and me, it's a conversation between you and me and our unconscious mind.
Right.
That's what makes this so beautiful. And that unconscious mind, it's not like a static thing. It's an essence that's interpreted. So that's
Hmm.
when we do readings, now we're looking at my interpretation and your interpretation. So it becomes
Right.
this intricate, complex conversation.
Absolutely.